Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over the bulk editor tool and what you can do with sections. So for this, we're going to go to the admin portal, which is hrpos.heartland.us, and then the menu icon at the top left, and then account menu. And all the way down on the bottom is the bulk editor. And this is a new feature that Heartland just came out with a few months ago. And I gotta say, it's really nice. So here on the bulk editor, you have record type, and when you click in here, you can pick what category you want to bulk edit. Now I've already got videos for items, and there's going to be videos for all these. So if you want to see a specific group, go see my other videos on it. But for this one, we're going to do sections. So remember, sections is what Heartland uses for categories. So for example, on this account, I've got like beverages and Mexican lunch, entrees, catering entrees. So I can bulk edit. I can change the names here if I want to. I can add new. These are your menu groups that are assigned to it. So you can see what's assigned. You can remove them if you want and add to them. Now you may just have one menu. Some places, especially quick service, with no drive-through, no nothing, it's just counter service, quick service, you probably only have one menu. You might have two if you're doing a separate online menu. And then here you can add check marks whether or not it's available online or not, which is also very nice. Actually, I want that to be online. I don't know why that wasn't online. Save changes there. And then of course you can also delete the section here too if you want. If you have a bunch of sections, like I see on a lot of Mexican menus, sometimes they got a lot of sections, a lot of different categories. So you can search for it here. But that's all there is to it. Make sure you publish changes when you're done. Otherwise it won't show up on your workstation. But I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.